I'm Phil Morgan. I'm CEO and co-founder of Puro Water. Puro Water is aimed at making sustainable energy, clean water products. There's a shortage of people with a skill set to do that. Puro Water linked up with the university to create an entity called Puro, which is aimed at developing new products, processes for the environmental market. A part of the Puro is to develop the MEng course in Applied Environmental Engineering, and that's really product focus in developing solutions, processes for an emerging global market. Well, the first product we produced originated from STEM with Bryn Tawys School. That's progressed through the university with commercialisation by ourselves to create a solar-based drinking water treatment plant. So effectively we're using sunlight to generate a treatment reagent which then cleans dirty water to clean water for drinking.
I'm James Nuka. I'm studying the MEng in Applied Environmental Engineering. Studying in this course has helped apply the theoretical side of what we've been studying to a practical element that's used in industry. It makes it a lot easier to understand the basic principles of the technology we're being taught about, and you can definitely see an impact when you're witnessing the actual work taking place in front of you.
The product goes out this week to Bangladesh. That'll be used for treating dirty water, predominantly for removal of arsenic from drinking water supplies, making the water safe to drink.